بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Respected parents and my dear students, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Students, this is your English class. Let's start our studies. Okay, students, all of you open page 12. As you can see, this is page 12. Hurry up, all of you open this page. Students, on page 12, we are having reading comprehension. Reading comprehension. Reading comprehension. Exercise 1. Answer the following questions. Okay, there are 4 questions, A, B, C, D part, and you have to answer these questions. Okay, we will answer them orally, and these all questions are from Unit 2, Provinces of Pakistan. Okay, students. Students, question A. List the blessings of Allah to Pakistan. List the blessings of Allah to Pakistan. Okay, students, in this question, you will tell me all the different blessings of Allah to Pakistan. Allah Ta'ala ने पाकिस्तान को कौन कौन सी blessings दी हैं, कौन कौन से गिफ्ट्स दिए हैं, ये आपने मुझे इस क्वेश्चन में बताना है. Okay, students, the question is list the blessings of Allah to Pakistan. And do you know, students, Allah ने पाकिस्तान को कौन कौन सी blessings दी हैं? We have 4 seasons and we have weather conditions. We have summer, autumn, winter, spring season, and we have different varieties of fruits. हम डिफरेंट वैरायटीज़ ऑफ फ्रूट्स खाते हैं जो कि अल्लाह ताला ने पाकिस्तान को गिफ्ट दिए हैं, पाकिस्तान में वो पैदा होते हैं. एंड डिफरेंट वैरायटीज़ ऑफ वेजिटेबल्स हैं, एंड डिफरेंट क्रॉप्स हैं, ट्रीज़ हैं, प्लांट्स हैं, और बहुत सारे डिफरेंट लैंडस्केप्स हैं. हमारे पास पहाड़ हैं, एंड वी हैव सी, वी हैव रिवर्स, वी हैव माउंटेन्स, वी हैव वैलीज़. These all are the blessings of Allah to Pakistan. Okay, students. Now, question B is name the capital city of Pakistan. Name the capital city of Pakistan. And I hope all of you knows the capital city of Pakistan. Yes, tell me. Very good. Islamabad is the capital city of Pakistan. Which is the capital city of Pakistan? Islamabad is the capital city of Pakistan. Very good. Now question C is, what is the national language of Pakistan? Pakistan की national language कौन सी है? Do you know, students? Yes, very good. Urdu. Urdu is the national language of Pakistan. Urdu is the national language of Pakistan. Okay, students. And now we are on question D. Question D is name the provinces of Pakistan. Name the provinces of Pakistan. And this was also your homework. So please tell me the names of 4 provinces of Pakistan. Yes, very good. Sindh, Punjab, Balochistan, and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Repeat with me, students. 4 provinces of Pakistan. Sindh, Punjab, Balochistan, and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Okay, students. Now I am answering them again. अब आपने गौर से सुनना है. Question A is list the blessings of Pakistan to Allah. Allah ने पाकिस्तान को कौन कौन सी blessings दी हैं? Yes, tell me. We have mountains, we have rivers, we have sea, we have valleys, we have different kinds of fruits and vegetables, weather conditions, and we have 4 seasons: summer, winter, autumn, and spring. Very good, students. Now moving towards question B. Name the capital city of Pakistan. पाकिस्तान का कैपिटल सिटी कौन सा है? Yes, Islamabad. Islamabad is the capital city of Pakistan. Question C is, what is the national language of Pakistan? Yes, tell me. Urdu. Very good. Urdu is the national language of Pakistan. And question D is, name the 4 provinces of Pakistan. Yes, who will tell me? Yes, Sindh, Punjab, Balochistan, and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Very good, students. I hope you are enjoying today's class. And now it's your homework time. Okay, students, and now this is your homework. What you have to do, you will answer the questions on page 12. Okay, students, you have to answer the questions, these 4 questions which are on page 12, and then you have to make a short video while you are answering the questions and share it in your WhatsApp group. ठीक है, आपने इन क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स बताने हैं एक वीडियो में, और देन उस वीडियो को आप शेयर करेंगे अपने WhatsApp ग्रुप में, where your teacher will check your homework. Okay, students, I hope you have enjoyed today's class. Till the next video, stay home, stay safe. Take care, dear students. Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.